Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going ahead and looking at the dividends that we were able to make in our Webull portfolio for the month of November. As we do every end of the month, we go ahead and look at and analyze just exactly what payments we were given and how we could improve. With that said, we'll be getting into that right after this. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking down because I'm going to start screen recording for my Webull account. As you can see, today we are down to 13,442, or as you can see, it's still moving. So we're down today. That's what you need to know from our all-time high, which was last Friday. But that's okay. We're going to go ahead and get into what we're here for, which is accounting for the dividends that we made in November. Now, I'm not expecting a big splash in November, but let's go ahead and see just exactly what happened for November. And we'll be looking at funds, and we'll go to type, hit dividends, and we'll go ahead and get started as I scroll down. Yeah, there's not much here, but it's okay. We have CVS. Since we have one share of CVS, on November 2nd, they paid us 50 cents. Then John Deere on November 9th went out of their way to pay us 76 cents. Also on November 12th, Apple, with our 10 shares, went ahead and paid us $2.05. Absolutely phenomenal. Then we have Main Street Capital on November 13th, which paid us 62 cents. Then on November 13th, because we have ONEOK payments in this account as well, we got another $3.74, which is absolutely awesome. Then Clorox on November 20th went ahead and paid us $1.11. And then on November 20th as well, Eaton went ahead and paid us 73 cents for the one share that we have. We also were paid dividends by Fastenal on November 24th for 25 cents. On November 27th, BMO went ahead and paid us 82 cents, which we are thankful for. Then we have SJR, which is Shaw Communications, which went out of their way to pay us 38 cents on November 27th as well. And then Starbucks went ahead and paid us 45 cents. Now, I know this is an incredibly short video, so we'll go ahead and take some of this time to go ahead and look at my performance over the last 8 months, because we've been doing this since March. And let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see from our 5-day performance, this is skewed because of today's performance. So it's not a full 5-day performance, but because Monday is the day that we're recording this video, this is what we're down. We're down 84 cents in our whole portfolio for the day. And then when you look at the month, we're up $2,676.76 for a 25% return. In the last 3 months, we are up $2,054.41 for an 18% return. In the last 6 months, we are up $3,986.61 for a 56.33% return. Year to date, we are up $3,491.93 for a 15.98% return, and on the year, pretty similar, $3,495.13 for a 16% return. And you just gotta love what's going on with this account. On the year, we have made $80.26 in dividends, and then we are up $27. That's not accounted for in the dividends. And that's mainly from our Bank of Nova Scotia shares. For whatever reason, it doesn't register as a dividend on Webull. And I think it's because the shares are from our Canadian base, and that's why they are in this category. So we're really not doing bad for ourselves. And we've also made 30 cents interest. So we're actually doing very well for ourselves. As you can see, some of my top gainers right now are Tesla, Lam Research, Snapchat, Deere, you know, just doing well. And then Bank of Nova Scotia, of course. Some of my top losers today are Chevron, ISBC, which I went ahead and got rid of, Apple, Amgen, the ETF VNQ, and Walgreens. And then when you look at my comparison to the Dow Jones index, we are actually outperforming the Dow Jones index in the last month. Now, when we look at the last year, we're still outperforming the Dow Jones index by a 9% increase. So that is absolutely phenomenal. We are loving the gains that we are seeing in this account, as it took a very, very long time. You can see from just, you know, in July, we're underperforming the Dow Jones index, you know, and then it finally started to shoot up within this last month. So we are very grateful for all that's going on with this account. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording right there. But I just want to go ahead and thank you so much for watching the video. I know it wasn't very long. I try to get to the point and be very concise with what I'm telling you guys. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on a video that I post, that would be awesome as well. But with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Thank you, and God bless.